Welcome back to Best Curiosities. In this thought-provoking video, we delve into the intricate tapestry of the 9 distinct types of intelligence proposed by Howard Gardner's groundbreaking theory. We are going to unveil the diverse facets of human cognition, revealing how each intelligence type offers a unique lens through which we perceive and interact with the world around us. Prepare to broaden your understanding of intelligence as we embark on a captivating exploration of the 9 dimensions that make us uniquely intelligent beings. Intelligence is the capacity or ability to acquire, apprehend, and apply knowledge in a behavioral context. The term rose to prominence during the early 1900s, coinciding the emergence of behaviorism. Intelligence differs from intellect, with the latter being measured in cognitive performance rather than behavior as a whole. In the case of human intelligence, one can be intelligent in more than a single domain. Take, for example, abstraction, logic, understanding, self-awareness, learning, emotional knowledge, reasoning, planning, creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving. According to American psychologist Howard Gardner, intelligence can be divided into multiple intelligences or intelligent performances. Similarly, intellect can be interpreted as an aggregate of intellects or intellectual performances. More generally, intelligence can be described as the capacity or ability to perceive or infer information, and to retain it as knowledge, to be applied towards adaptive behaviors within an environment or context. Intelligence is most often studied in humans, but has also been observed in both non-human animals and in plants, despite controversy as to whether some of these forms of life exhibit intelligence. Intelligence in computers or other machines is called artificial intelligence. Gardner, on the basis of research and literature on the subject, manages to distinguish as many as 9 fundamental manifestations of intelligence, deriving from different structures of the brain and independent of each other. Here are the 9 macro groups. Linguistic intelligence represents the extraordinary human ability to employ a large, clear, and highly effective vocabulary in a wide range of communicative contexts. Those lucky enough to be endowed with this particular form of intelligence demonstrate an astonishing ability to modulate their linguistic register in an extremely flexible way, adapting it with millimeter precision to the nuances required by different situations and interlocutors. This skill goes beyond simple, functional communication and transforms into an art where words are expertly crafted to express complex ideas, emotions, and concepts with extraordinary vividness. Logical mathematical intelligence involves both the left cerebral hemisphere, which is responsible for remembering mathematical symbols, and the right cerebral hemisphere, where concepts are elaborated. This type of intelligence focuses primarily on deductive reasoning, the ability to create patterns, and the ability to formulate logical chains of thought. In other words, it includes the ability to analyze complex data, find connections between information, and apply critical thinking to solve problems of a logical or mathematical nature. Spatial intelligence focuses on the acute ability to perceive, interpret, and interact with the surrounding 3-dimensional environment. In this fascinating dimension, those with this ability usually demonstrate an exceptional talent for capturing and remembering the intricate details of their surroundings. These individuals seem to have a keen eye for accurately observing the arrangement of objects in space, appreciating the nuances of shapes, colors, and textures. Their extraordinary environmental memory is often accompanied by a highly developed sense of direction, enabling them to navigate with agility through complex environments, which may feature intricate urban mazes or rugged natural landscapes. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence is a type of intelligence that finds its base of operations in different regions of our brain. Those endowed with this form of intelligence demonstrate remarkable control and mastery of their body, allowing them to coordinate their movements with great precision. In broader terms, bodily kinesthetic intelligence usually refers to those who creatively use their body as an expressive tool. This category spans multiple disciplines and practices, including gymnastics, dance, martial arts, and many other activities where mastery of movement is essential. Usually, musical intelligence is predominantly located in the right hemisphere of the brain, but individuals with an established musical background process melody through their left hemisphere. This skill focuses primarily on the ability to perceive the pitch of sounds, harmonic and contrapuntal structures. Those possessing this form of intelligence often demonstrate considerable talent in the use of one or more musical instruments or in the melodic modulation of one's voice. In summary, musical intelligence allows you to appreciate and create the beauty of music through a deep understanding of its fundamental components, whether it be its sounds, harmonies, or vocal performance. Interpersonal intelligence focuses on the ability to understand one's individuality, knowing how to integrate it effectively into the social context to improve personal life, and also having the ability to empathize with personalities different from one's own. According to Gardner, this form of intelligence can be seen as a mirror reflection of interpersonal intelligence, which instead focuses on understanding relationships with others. It also allows us to explore and understand ourselves, improve our lives through a greater awareness of who we are, and at the same time, develop the ability to put ourselves in the shoes of others to understand their experiences and points of view. The naturalistic intelligence skill involves the competence to identify specific elements present in the natural environment, systematically organize them in a precise order based on categories, and understand the intricate relationships between these elements. It is relevant to note that some human groups that still maintain a lifestyle considered primitive, such as Aboriginal tribes dedicated to hunting and gathering, show a remarkable dexterity in orienting themselves within this natural environment. Existential or theoretical intelligence is characterized by the ability to engage in conscious and in-depth reflection on topics of far-reaching theoretical speculation, including the nature of the universe and the understanding of human consciousness. This advanced thought process leads to the creation of extremely sophisticated and complex conceptual categories, which are able to maintain a universal validity and to offer a profound and enlightening perspective on the very nature of human existence and knowledge. Under this perspective or theory, intelligence can be understood as a set of specific abilities that an individual possesses. Although these abilities may be present in a more or less innate way in people, they are not fixed and can be enhanced through training, even if they could decline over time. Gardner himself has pointed out that trying to classify all the different manifestations of human intelligence would be an extremely complex task, since each major category includes a number of different subtypes. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. See you with the next curiosity.